Hi everyone, I'm Jason with Epic Charter Schools. Welcome to the Healthy Habits Cooking Show. Today, I'll be cooking with Marsha Martin, our Healthy Habits Specialist.
It's good to be here, and I'm excited to see what's on the menu today, Jason.
Today, we are making broccoli salad, and this recipe is easy and healthy.
Oh, that's right. Broccoli is a superfood that is loaded with antioxidants that reduces inflammation, boosts immunity, and promotes heart health.
Oh wow, I didn't realize broccoli was so good for us.
It sure is. How about you tell us what the ingredients are, and we'll get started.
Well, for today's dish, we need six cups of chopped broccoli, 1 cup of raisins, 1 red onion, good and diced, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 8 slices of bacon cooked and crumbled, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 3/4 of a cup of low-fat mayonnaise.
Perfect. Well, let's get started by chopping the broccoli. So we're just going to chop. All right, I've got the last of that done. Do you remember what was next? Do we need to do the onion, or it all goes in, right?
Yeah, let's just chop that.
Okay. Right, we've got this cooked or chopped up. Yes, I'm a beef eater too.
Yeah.
Those onions are smelling good, aren't they?
It does smell good. We just dumped this in.
Yeah. There we go. And now the raisins. Just dump them in. And we needed 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. I'll let you add that in. Perfect. The sugar. Our bowl's getting pretty full, isn't it?
Yeah, it's getting really full.
Okay, and then we need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
That's fine.
Yep. Pour that in there. 1 more. There you go.
All right.
And then add the bacon. Oh, that's looking good. We might should have gotten a bigger bowl, but I'm gonna let you start stirring that up real easily.
All right.
Just dump that in there and see if we can stir better with that. Awesome. That's going to make it easier to stir up, isn't it? Now we just need to let it chill for about an hour. Come back and try some. What do you think?
It looks great.
I do too. That looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Looks really good.
All right. And did you know that raisins are also good for us?
Yes, they are packed with energy and rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals.
They sure are. And they can aid in digestion, they boost our iron levels, and they keep our bones strong.
We hope you enjoy this easy and healthy dish. As always, we've linked the recipe in the comments, and we hope you try this one at home and enjoy it as much as we did.
Until next time, stay healthy and happy cooking.